everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. So last class what we discussed and what we learned multiplication, am I correct? Yes, we learned multiplication. So everyone knows tables, right? Everyone knows tables? Yes, I think everyone studied the tables. So see here we learned, right, exercise 3.6. Other things and all you have to do it as homework, like that I said. Am I correct, students? Yes. So see here, see this some exercise 3 point some, that also you have to do, okay? Then here worksheet 2 also there, that and all you have to do, okay? If you have any doubt from that worksheet and all, just you have to call me and ask, okay? Okay ma. So if you know the tables means you will do, okay? So little I'm going fast, so if you have any doubt you have to ask me, okay? Again and again more sums is there, so again and again you practice this worksheet, everything, okay? So today we are going to see a new chapter, that is division, okay? Division also you have to know the tables, okay? Understood ma? Yes. So see here, see this first one, exercise 4.1. How many groups do you get if you do equal grouping for the following? Make group of 3. Okay. This stars, how many stars? More stars are given, but you have to separate it as a group. Like 3 you have to make. So 3 means these 3 one group, these 3 one group, these 3 one group. So totally how many groups are there? 3 groups. Am I correct? 3 groups. Make groups of 3. How many? The number of groups formed are, how many groups are formed? Yes. How many groups are formed? 3 groups. Am I correct? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups are there. Okay. Like that you have to do. Okay. Understood ma? So see here, this is not basic division, okay? Then make groups of 6. 6 you have to make groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then up to this much second group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to this much third group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to this much 4 groups. So totally how much groups are there? Here already given, make groups of 6. So 6 you have to take. Okay, so number of groups formed how many? 4. The answer is 4. Okay, so the first answer is 3. The second one is 4. Okay, it's very easy, right? See exercise 4.4. 4.2, okay. Limited sums only I am giving, okay. So listen carefully. Okay ma, if you have any doubt you have to ask. Then we are going to see exercise 4.2, okay. After this exercise 4.1 you have to move on to exercise 4.2. Already you learned what? Multiply by using number line, am I correct? So this is divide by using number line. Understood ma? So very easy only, okay. See here, see the first example sum. 12 divided by 3 is given. First what you have to do? 0 to 20 you have to, number line you have to put, okay. So 12 divided by 3. So in multiplication you have to start with 0, right? But in division you have to start with the first number like this. Here 12 to like backward direction. Okay, in subtraction also like that only you will do, right? Addition means forward direction you will do. Subtraction means backward direction. Like that only here. Multiply means forward direction. Division means backward direction. So backward direction means, see the first number. The first number is 12. Okay. So this one 12. From where you have to start? From you have to start from 12. So divided by 3. So this 3 you have to take steps. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 here. Then 1, 2, 3. Then here 1, 2, 3 here. Till 0 you have to do. Then how many steps? How many jump you jump? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Total the answer is what? 4. Okay, in multiplication you will start with 0 and jump forward direction. But in division you have to start with the first number 12 and end with 0 like backward direction. Okay, this is the concept. Understood, ma? So shall we go for the exercise sum? See here, exercise 4.2, divide using the number line. So here already there 18 divided 2. So 18 divided by what I said, first you have to start with 18. Okay, start with, so how many steps you have to take? 2. So 1, 2 here. This is 1. Then again 1, 2. This is second. Then again 1, 2. This is third. Again 1, 2. Fourth. Again 1, 2. 5. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. So totally how many steps? 9. So what is the answer? The answer is 9. It is very easy, right? So see the first number. From that you have to start. Then see the second number. That steps. How many steps? 2, 2, 2 steps. Like that you have to do till 0. Then you count how many jump you did. That one you have to write it here. Okay, ma, understood everyone? Very easy, right? Yes. See here 12 divided 4 is given. So where you have to start from? Where you have to start from? 12. So how many steps? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Then 1 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is second. This is third. So how many? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is what? 3. Okay, it is very easy. Yes. So see the first number. Listen carefully. See the first number. You have to start with the first number. That number 12. Then move backward direction. See the second number 4. 4 steps you have to do. Okay. Then how many jumps you jump? That one you have to write the answer. Understood, ma? So divide by using number line. You know, right? So shall we go for this? Is also divide by using number line. Then in division 2 types of divisions are there. Okay, ma? 2 types of divisions are there. Short division method and long division method. How many types of divisions are there? Short division method and long division method. Okay, short division method is very easy. Okay, shall we go for the short division method? Okay, listen carefully. See 32 divided 4. 32 divided 4. Okay, how you have to do? With the tables only you have to do. Okay, see here 32 divided 4. First, this is 32. This number is called dividend. Okay, this number is called divisor. Okay, this first number is called dividend. What is that? Dividend. The second number, this is called divisor. The first number you have to put inside. The second number you have to put outside. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, the first number is 32. That is called dividend. This 4 is a divisor. Okay, understood? So, dividend you have to put inside this line. Like this, what boxes you have to put like this one line, like this one line. Standing line and sleeping line. Inside 32, here 4. Okay, understood? Then, fourth table you have to say. Okay, fourth table you have to say in which number come with 32. So, fourth table all of you say 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. So 32 came, right? So you have to write 8 here. 8 4s are 32. Okay? That 32 you have to write. You know, right? 8 into 4 is equal to 32. So 8 4s are 32. So 8 you have to write upside. Fourth table is given. What is the answer? 32. You have to subtract this. So 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So this is called quotient. This is called remainder. Upside one answer you got na, that one is called quotient. Downside number is remainder. Understood? So this question, the first number is called dividend. This is called divisor. You have to know that divisor 4. So that table you have to say. So 4 8s are 32. You have to write it as 32. Then subtract these two. The answer is 0. The quotient is 8. Remainder is 0. The question will be asked. You have to find the quotient and remainder. So you have to write quotient is equal to 8. Remainder is equal to 0. Okay, like that you have to do. Okay, ma, understood? Yes. The next one, see here. 30. Sorry, here the question is 30 divided 5. So what you have to do? Inside you have to write 30. Then this 5 divisor you have to write here. Then what table you have to say? Fifth table. In fifth table, which time 30 will come you say. Okay. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 6 5s are 30. 30 came, right? So you have to write 6 upside. 6 5s are 30. So 30 minus 30 is 0. The upside quotient is 6. Remainder is 0. Understood? Shall we do the exercise sum? Okay. Then come for the exercise sum. Exercise 4.4. Okay. Exercise 4.4. Divide the following by short division method. Write the quotient and the remainder. Okay. Write the quotient and the remainder. So first the question is given. See here 36. 6. So inside that 36, you first number you have to write inside. Then the 6 you have to write outside. So which table you have to say? Sixth table. Am I correct? Yes, sixth table. So all of you say the sixth table. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. So what you have to do? 6 6 are 36. This 6 already it's there, right? So this 6 you have to write upside. 6 6 are 36. Then you have to put one dash. This is subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3 also 0. So what is the answer? Quotient means what? Upside this is called quotient. This is called remainder. Quotient is what? 6. Remainder is what? 0. Now you understood everyone? Understood? See here one more sum. 40 divided 4. Already it's given. The first 40 inside, 4 outside. So which table you have to say? 4. So all of you say the fourth table. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. So here you write 10 4s are 40. Okay, 10 into 4 is equal to 40. So 10 you have to write upside. Then 40 minus 40, 0. Okay, you have to subtract. So 40 minus 40, 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 10, remainder is 0. Understood everyone? So this is called short division method. Okay? Short division method. One more long division method is there. That one we will see in the next class. Okay? So one more exercise. See, one more sum. Shall we do this one? 54 divided 6. Yes. See here, already is given 6 and 54. So which table you have to say? You have to say the sixth table. So all of you say the sixth table. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. 9 6 are 54. So you have to write 9 here. 9 6 are 54. Okay. Then 54 minus 54, 0. So quotient is what? 9. Remainder is 0. Understood? Okay. Okay, ma? Understood now? So remaining 3 sums you have to do it as a homework. Okay. long division method we will see in the next class. So you have to do this as a homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, you have to ask. Okay, we have a little time only, that's why I'm little going fast. So if you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay ma? So you have to learn the multiplication division. This is a basic multiplication and division. So you have to learn from this grade 2 itself. Okay. So if you have any doubt in this multiplication and division, you have to ask me. Then again and again you have to do the worksheet and all. Okay. You have to practice the worksheet. Okay. So this one you have to do as a homework. Page number 75. 4th sum, 5th sum, 6th sum. That one you have to do as a homework. Understood ma? So again and again, then multiplication also you have to do more sums in worksheet and all, more sums are there. You have to do. If you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay? From this class also, if you have any doubt, you have to ask. Okay ma? Okay. So what you have to do from this chapter, what you know? You have to learn the tables. Concept and all very simple only. If you know the tables, you will do. Am I correct? So you have to do. Okay ma? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.